Ay, wait. Iron Man. Sige, ano muna tayo? Ay, dito. Ay, taas. Ang ganda ng weather, grabe.
Dalisan tayo.
Doon pa eh. Ito. Biel?
Ang aga ni kabayan eh. Tapos ating kumain, papunta na sila.
Biel? Ah, sombrero. Sa merchandise ko. Hi, Han! Mag-ano muna tayo, rides. Sino? Say hi.
A picture there. Do it. Birthday niya. Daw anak.
Hi, Han. Rika. Check ko nga kung may yung ice cream. Dali. Mag-ride na muna daw. Sa kabalikan yung ice cream. O, tara. Ayan, dito sa kanan. Doon. Doon, kanan muna. Ano?
Star Wars!
Oh, si Mama naghahanap ng headband. Ayun no, mga sombrero.
花起给1分钟最好话题，
Gusto na bumibili muna ng sombrero si Mama sa headband. Ayan.
在地球上最贵的地方走着一起，真的很
Yes.
而一帮好朋友几分钟之后，将会在奇妙梦想城堡舞台举行一个春日派对。我们也邀请你们来欣赏 Duffy 与好友快乐分享小剧场。Party 几分钟之后开始，一会儿见。
Gamitin natin yung voucher. Gusto ni Mama yung umiilaw eh.
Wala ata dito nakalatid sa
Sa store. Wala, gusto mo yung umiilaw na ano, di ba? Headband, wala dito.
Eh, yung si baby. Si Maxine.
Baka nasa mismo.
Sa shop.
Pagbalik na lang.
Pero may sombrero doon, tignan mo. Silipin mo lang. Ah. O, tumingin muna sa iba. Ito, hindi. Dito.
O, bayaran mo na.
Magkano?
Hello, how much is this? Oh, 159.
159. May blue. May red. Ano, titingin muna tayo sa ibang sa shop mismo.
Maxi,
Gabili ko.
what is?
So, isa pa kasi may 200 na yung sa voucher.
200. Isa para magamit ko.
Dati. Pwede si ano. Can we bring the kid inside? Stroller there, please. Yung stroller doon, park natin muna doon.
Si Max.
Pwede siya kakandungin. Doon muna tayo, yung stroller dadalhin doon.
Kaya nga.
Eto, pwede sa atin yun. Ano ba yan? Hindi siya roller coaster. Ano? Basta hindi roller coaster.
Para siyang Rialto.
Ay, gatas. Iwan na lang
Pwede
natin.
kay Max?
Oo.
Ay. Yung may 4D na salamin.
Ano yan? Huwag ka magdalang tubig sa loob.
Bawal.
Aning mo ang tubig sa loob. Luminom ka muna.
Ant-Man、Wasp 收唔收到？直到嚟急，有大批蘇聯嘅機械蟲快速潛入花園，發覺佢哋被摧毀咗。Have someone infiltrated the data core? We're almost there. 仲未，但係
Looks like the insects are growing swine. No matter, the data core will soon be mine.
Hey, pal. Insects are arthropods. They don't have spines. We're spiders.
其實我哋仲聽到你哋講咩？You'll do great.
Absolutely.
I really don't want to die.
各位 Ant-Man、Wasp 需要我哋幫手，一齊擊敗蘇聯。好快你哋就要同蘇聯啲機械蟲爭持。我哋發現咗5種機械蟲喺大氣層，每隻機械蟲都有嘢。當佢哋打開晒佢哋，就係暴露嘅威勢。一旦弱點俾脈衝槍擊中，機械蟲就會被吞。聽到佢哋嘅實相，呢種機械蟲被視為最好嘅宿敵。跟住呢邊，大家記得要盡力攻擊佢哋。但係戰車上嘅記錄將會記錄你哋嘅擊中。祝大家作戰成功！我哋一齊打。
It's intense in here. Lots of bots.
等多陣，等今日一直收到戰鬥指令，即刻去車庫上特別戰車。Here's them, the short version. We need them now.
Okay, the real short version. The bots have weak spots. Aim at this.
You mean these?
Show off.
Biel, you use the gun to shoot the lights,
Why don't you
huh?
come give us a hand?
I've got my own
You have to shoot there.
15, 20,
You shoot these, huh?
thousands.
Yeah, well, mine are bigger.
No, not necessarily. When I shrink, proportionally.
講真，史達先生對付嘅機械人真係大壓。
Oh, Leslie, give me a break.
I thought you was my
Let me know when you two are done comparing bot sizes. We still have work to do. Everybody, let's help Ant-Man and Wasp fight Soda and the Swarms. Here's the latest intel. These spots receive top.
Yeah, you shoot them, Biel, huh?
Lost in the movie, lost the way to survive.
Let's see who gets the highest score.
Feet and legs inside your dagger vehicles straight back. And remember, keep an eye on those young fighters. 自愿参战丁克宠，准备搭乘夫妻战车。
Find those bots, aim for the weak spots, and fire away. Fight it out.
Ant-Man 覺得冇錯，大家快啲拎起脈衝槍，瞄準機械蟲嘅弱點，全力出擊。
You, in the shirt, has a weak spot, but not enough.
You shoot that, shoot that. You use the laser. Yeah, look. You can shoot the yellow light. Yeah. You shoot. There. That's all. There. Shoot. You have the red light. You're the red light. Your gun is the red light. Where's Ant-Man?
大家注意，所有兒童準備就緒，宣誓程序即將開始。速遞程序完畢。
Sayang si Adman kasalubong niya sa Kasiwas.
Hindi naman napapicture eh.
May pupuntahan siya.
And welcome to Stark Expo. I'm Wendy Wong, Vice President of Stark Industries Asia, and I am here to introduce an amazing invention.
I'm honored, Miss Wong, but I consider myself the sister.
Yung papapicture ni Iron Man nandun
What
sa
a
isang bilang.
charming introduction. This is Jarvis, an artificially intelligent assistant created by Tony Stark and imbued with all of his knowledge. He even has his sense of humor.
Why, thank you.
That wasn't a compliment.
Really?
As I was saying, I am here to introduce an amazing invention, the arc reactor, the world's first clean energy power generator envisioned by Tony Stark's brilliant father, Howard Stark.
Howard Stark, founder of Stark Industries, believed that everything is achievable through technology.
But technology requires power, and Howard Stark couldn't find an existing unlimited clean energy source. So, he invented his own.
He dubbed his new energy invention the arc reactor.
Unfortunately, Howard Stark was limited by the technology of his time.
So Tony Stark took what his father had developed and perfected it.
Today's arc reactors are able to supply enough clean energy to power a skyscraper. But soon, this technology will be harnessed to power entire cities, even countries. Today, you will witness the future of energy, courtesy of this amazing invention.
Stark Industries, building a better tomorrow today.
展示我们的最新成就——香港史达大楼。这座建筑奇迹是全亚洲第一座能够以洁净能源自给自足的摩天大楼。史达大楼的现反应能源期堪称世界。
Wala akong pabalik.
Sabit mo na dyan sa daan. Hindi.
Are you sure?
O sa bulsa. Maraming bulsa.
Joke lang to eh.
Sa bulsa ko na lang.
Hindi mo magbabasa.
Hindi yung pabasa. Mamaya, tingnan natin.
Yan na sa likod. Ay, wala ka palang bata.
Dito.
座位下面嘅儲物籃入邊，從座位右邊拉出安全帶，扣入左邊卡位，並向行緊嘅飛行人員舉手確認你嘅安全裝置已經扣緊。為確保安全，飛行途中請坐好，保持安全裝置緊扣，並看管好同行嘅小朋友。坐好之後，可以戴起你嘅史達前瞻智能眼鏡。
Gitna natin sila.
去全新嘅香港史達大樓，修復擋風玻璃，啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has
發
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集束激光下，
Not the enemy!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。各位乘客，前最強勁嘅熱反應能源器 咦？立即接駁閉路電視。